Rice is not just for savory dishes. You can even turn it into rice pudding. Come along with me and I'll show you how to make a wonderful, delicious dessert. It's a favorite in our family. I don't know about yours, but it is delicious. I haven't made it in a while. My mother used to make it from scratch, from what I've heard. But I don't remember her cooking very much, which is a shame. So we're going to take, I've already made 2 cups of rice in my other pot. Then we'll get another pot. And we have 4 cups of milk. And this is 2 packages of Jell-O Cook and Serve vanilla pudding that we're going to use. I'm going to mix that together. I know people have all their different recipes. This one's the easiest for me. I'm going to let that get hot. My milk and mixture is getting hot, so I'm going to put in a 1/2 cup of sugar and a 1/2 cup of raisins, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. Let's go with a small one, it won't fit in there. And we'll put this in last. The vanilla we're going to put in last because it'll evaporate. And then after this gets thick, we're going to add our rice. Our mixture is getting thick, but you don't want it too thick because you're going to add that rice. You don't want to turn it up too high because you don't want to scald the bottom. So you just sit here and stir it. I think we can add the rice now. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Just let it simmer. We've been stirring this rice pudding for about 15 minutes and it finally thickened up. Some people's rice pudding is white, but I put my cinnamon inside the rice pudding and some people just sprinkle it on top, but I like mine inside. So this is how thick it should be. And as it cools off, it will get thicker. And this is what the end result is. It smells delicious. You can put them in a little serving bowls, or you can just put them in a big bowl and just let people take what they want. You can see the raisins in there, and it will get thicker as it cools off. So I hope you try this rice pudding recipe. It's delicious. It's an old-timey favorite of our families. You know, some people don't like raisins, some people do. So you can just, you know, add what you like. Down in the comments, let me know if you've ever had rice pudding. If you have, share your version of it. What you put in it and don't put in it. So, as always, thank you for watching my videos, and God bless.